Hello friends, welcome to our channel Math Master. Friends, today we are going to study one of the important topic of chapter 1, Science, Chemical Reactions and Equations of Standard 10th. Today the topic that we are going to start is chemical equations and how to balance the chemical equation. Let us consider one example. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. This is one chemical reaction that we are taking example of. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Here there are two substances, magnesium and oxygen. Both these substances undergo a chemical change and they form a new product or a new compound which is called magnesium oxide. On the left hand side, the two substances which both are taking part in the reaction, magnesium and oxygen, they both are called the reactants, and the new compound formed is called the product. The new substance formed is called the product. So this is a reaction in which we have written the entire spelling of magnesium and not its symbol, and so it is a chemical reaction. Remember that the reactants are always written on the left hand side and the product is always written on the right hand side, and between both of them there is an arrow which is pointing from reactant towards the product. Fine. Now instead of writing the entire spelling, if I write the symbol, so it will be magnesium, that is Mg, plus oxygen, that is O2, gives magnesium oxide MgO. Fine. Now students, इसको बोलते हैं skeletal chemical equation. You know why? Because ये reaction balanced नहीं है. Here oxygen is 2, here oxygen is 1. So this is a skeletal chemical equation. Skeletal chemical equation is also called unbalanced chemical equation. Okay, first let's balance it. Mg1, Mg also 1, magnesium is balanced. यहाँ पे oxygen के दो atoms हैं and here there is only one atom. So to balance we will put a 2 here. So जैसे ही हम 2 put करेंगे, 2 will be for magnesium as well as oxygen. So magnesium atoms will also be 2. But here magnesium is only 1, so put 2 here. So now it is a balanced chemical equation. Now the question arises that why we need to balance the chemical equation. Chemical equation को balance क्यों करना है? तो उसका आंसर बहुत ही perfectly आपने standard 9th में भी study किया था. Mass can neither be created nor it can be destroyed in a chemical reaction. And the total mass of the elements present in the reactants is equal to the total mass of the elements present in the product. इसको हम कहते हैं law of conservation of mass. I will just show you this topic in the standard 10th NCERT textbook. Kindly look at the underlined part. Mass can neither be created nor it can be destroyed in a chemical reaction. The total mass of the element present in the product of chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the element present in the reactant. इसका मतलब कि chemical reaction में mass cannot be created or it cannot be destroyed and the total mass has to remain same. तो इस law को fulfill करने के लिए we have to balance the chemical equation. अब ये एक बहुत ही सिंपल इक्वेशन था, Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Let's take one more typical example of balancing. Okay, let us balance the following equation. The equation is as under Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Now this is the equation, students, that we are going to balance. Students, balance करने के लिए first of all just keep one thing in mind. total how many substances are there? 1 2 3 4, total 4 substances. इन चारों सब्सटेंस में से सबसे ज्यादा मैक्सिमम एटम्स किसके पास? सो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 एटम आयरन, यहाँ पे टोटल 3 एटम, 2 हाइड्रोजन एंड 1 ऑक्सीजन. Here total 7 atoms, 3 iron, 4 oxygen, total 7 atoms, and here there are only 2 atoms. So obviously maximum atoms यहाँ पे है Fe3O4, right? अब Fe3O4 से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. Fe3O4 में मैक्सिमम एटम्स आयरन के हैं कि ऑक्सीजन के हैं? Yes, ऑक्सीजन के हैं. कितने? 4. Here it is 4, but here it's only 1. तो first of all put 4 here. Now ऑक्सीजन को हमने बैलेंस कर दिया है. फाइन, ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस कर दिया है बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन यहाँ 1 था, बट हमें उसको 4 बनाना है, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. नाउ दिस 4 बिलोंग्स टू हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो. सो हाइड्रोजन के कितने एटम्स हो गए? 4 2 ज़ा 8, बट हियर इट इज ओनली 2. सो 2 को 8 बनाने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. सो हाइड्रोजन इज ऑल्सो बैलेंस्ड. व्हाट अबाउट आयरन स्टूडेंट्स? आयरन 3, but here iron is only 1. So multiply it by 3, your equation is balanced, and that's how we will balance a chemical equation. Right? Now in our day-to-day life, we come across many such equations. Chemical equations को more informative बनाने के लिए we mention the physical states, whether it is solid, whether it's a liquid, whether it's a gas, whether it's aqueous. Okay, for example, मैं इस रिएक्शन को ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेटिव बनाता हूं. आयरन solid reacts with water vapor. Water vapor is gaseous to give you a salt that is solid, and it releases hydrogen gas. Right? Balancing, I'm just copying as above. So this is the extra information that the chemical equation is giving us. So G stands for gas, S stands for solid, L stands for liquid, and AQ stands for aqueous. Aqueous. Right, students? Sometimes I'll just show you one equation. Carbon dioxide plus hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide is also gas, plus hydrogen gas, they both react at 340 atmospheric pressure to give you a new compound, methanol, CH3OH. What is methanol? You will study in the classes further. Now, many times on the arrow or below the arrow, you will find atmospheric pressure, sometimes temperature is written, and sometimes the name of catalyst is written there. Catalyst. You know what is catalyst? Catalyst is a substance which does not take part in the reaction but makes the reaction faster. Some examples we will see in this chapter further. Catalyst is a substance which does not take part in the reaction but makes the reaction faster. Students, let us focus on these two questions that we need to balance now. The first one is hydrogen, that is H2, plus chlorine, that is Cl2. Students, many of the gases, for example hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, oxygen, ये सारे diatomic gases हैं. So we have to write 2 below it. This 2 does not mean कि हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी 2 है, क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी 2 है. ये 2 हम इसलिए लिख रहे हैं बिकॉज ये सारे गैसेस डायएटॉमिक हैं. गिव्स, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज रिटन आफ्टर हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. सो हाइड्रोजन इज H, क्लोराइड इज Cl. हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी 1, क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी भी 1. Because they both have same valency, we don't have to put any number below them. Fine, sir. So hydrogen, how many atoms are there? 2. But here hydrogen is only 1. So put 2 here. So I think now hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2, chlorine 2, here also chlorine 2. This is a balanced equation. Please kindly look at the next one. The question is barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate gives barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. Let's begin. Barium means Ba, chloride is Cl. Students, barium की वैलेंसी 2 है और क्लोराइड की वैलेंसी 1 है. Barium valency is 2, chlorine valency is 1. Now we are going to crisscross. This 1 will go with barium and 2 will go with chlorine. यहाँ पे 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just you can write BaCl2 plus aluminum, that is Al, sulfate SO4. Aluminum, the valency of aluminum is 3 and the valency of sulfate is 2. Again we are going to crisscross here. 2 will go below aluminum and 3 will go below sulfate. Fine. Let's continue. Gives barium, that is Ba, sulfate SO4. Okay. Barium valency is 2, sulfate valency is 2. Because they both have valency same, so we will not put any number below them. Students, ये जो मैं नीचे वैलेंसी लिख रहा हूँ, in exams don't write it. This is just for your explanation. Plus aluminum Al, chloride, that is Cl. Okay, aluminum valency is 3, chlorine valency is 1, crisscross, so 3 will come here. Now this is the reaction. अब याद रखना हमें इसको बैलेंस करना है. अब प्लीज चेक करो मैक्सिमम एटम्स किसके पास है. तो यू विल फाइंड दैट मैक्सिमम एटम्स यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे. और यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा एटम्स किसके पास है. एल्यूमिनियम 2, सल्फर 3 और ऑक्सीजन 4 3 12. ऑक्सीजन 12 है, बट यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन सिर्फ 4 है. तो पहले ऑक्सीजन को हम बैलेंस कर लेते हैं. 4 को 12 बनाने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सल्फर. सल्फर इज 3. Here also sulfur is 3. Aluminum, here it is 2, but here aluminum is only 1, so multiply it by 2. So chlorine becomes 6, but here chlorine is only 2, so 2 को 6 बनाने के लिए multiply by 3. This is a balanced chemical equation. I hope you are finding it very easy. Students, we are taking some more examples of balancing the equations just to make the things more clear. We start with the first one, hydrogen gas. याद रखना ये diatomic है. Combines with nitrogen, that is also diatomic, to form ammonia. Ammonia is a gas which is NH3. Hydrogen gas combines with nitrogen gas and forms ammonia, forms a substance ammonia. Okay, now let's balance this reaction. Students, focus on nitrogen first. How many nitrogen? 2. But here it's only 1. So first let's balance nitrogen. What about hydrogen now? Here it is 6, here it's 2. So 2 को 6 बनाने के लिए multiply by 3. So this reaction is balanced. I hope it is very easy. Second one, hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. Hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen, sulfur, sulfur valency is 2, that will go to hydrogen. So hydrogen sulfide burns in air. Now we all know combustion के लिए, burning के लिए oxygen is required. So it burns in air to give, means product, water and sulfur dioxide. Di मतलब 2, sulfur dioxide. जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है ना, वैसे सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन 2 है और यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन 1 है. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन आर 3, बट हियर ऑक्सीजन इज 2. अब याद रखिए, व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ ऑड नंबर ऑफ एटम्स, ट्राई टू मेक इट इवन. जैसे यहाँ 2 है, अगर हम यहाँ 2 लगा देते हैं, सो ऑक्सीजन एटम्स विल बिकम 4, इजंट इट? 2 + 2 टोटल 4 ऑक्सीजन, बट हियर ऑक्सीजन इज ओनली 2, तो इसको भी 4 बना दो. इजी. व्हाट अबाउट हाइड्रोजन? 2 2 ज़ा 4, बट हियर इट्स ओनली 2, तो इसको भी 4 बना दो. सो नाउ सल्फर इज 2, हियर ऑल्सो मेक सल्फर 2. दिस इज अ बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन? नो, इट्स नॉट, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन यहाँ 4 हो गए और यहाँ 2 हो गए, so total it is 6 oxygen now. But here oxygen is only 4, so instead of 2 we have to write here 3. Now it is a balanced equation. Please check. Come to the next question, students. Barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and an insoluble substance जिसको हम precipitate कहते हैं of barium sulfate. Let's start. Barium chloride. Barium is Ba, chloride is Cl. दोनों की वैलेंसी आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Barium वैलेंसी is 2, chlorine वैलेंसी is 1. क्रिस क्रॉस करना है. 1 यहाँ, 2 यहाँ. So barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate. Let's do it. Aluminum is Al, sulfate is SO4. Okay, barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate. Aluminum valency is 3, sulfate valency is 2. Again we are going to crisscross. So 2 will come over here and here will come 3. Aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride. Aluminum valency is 3, chlorine valency is 1, crisscross. And a precipitate of barium sulfate. Barium is Ba, sulfate is SO4. Barium valency 2, sulfate valency 2, both have same valency, so nothing will come below them. Let's balance it. Please students find out maximum atoms किस substance के पास है. इसके पास, इसके पास, इसके पास, इसके पास. So maximum substance, maximum atoms are present here. In which substance maximum atoms are there? Over here. Just check oxygen. 4 3s are 12. यहाँ पे 12 oxygen है. But here it is only 4. तो पहले हम oxygen को balance कर देते हैं. Fine. Look at sulfur now. Sulfur how many? 3. And here how many sulfur are there? 3. So sulfur is balanced, oxygen is balanced. What about aluminum? Aluminum is 2. Let's make this aluminum also 2. By keeping 2 here, chlorine atoms will be 6. But here chlorine is only 2. So let's make this also 6. Yes students, this is a balanced chemical equation. Fine. Last one. Potassium metal reacts with water to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Potassium metal, that is K, reacts with water, that is H2O, to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is diatomic, right? पहले hydrogen पे focus करो. Total 3 and here it is 2. So let's make it even. Hydrogen 3 है मतलब odd. इसको even बना दो. Let's make it 4. So this will make potassium also 2. So potassium 2 and oxygen is also 2. So let's put 2 here also. I think it's a balanced equation. Okay students, I hope you are finding this concepts very clear. Do comment if you have any doubts, and if you like this, kindly share to your friends, because in this pandemic every child needs learning, because we believe that learning is sharing. Do subscribe and do share and like if you think that you have found this content better. Thank you.